The next thing we're going to look at is what we can do with the key or the legend up here. If we go across here to key settings, click on that, we can show or hide the key. Now we can swap the location of the key from being a portrait key to a landscape key where it appears at the bottom of the screen. Now depending on how many names you have in the key, you might want to change the number of rows in the landscape key. So if we produce 3, you can see there's 3 in a column. If we make it 1, there's only 1 row, so they all appear in a row along the bottom. Or 2, it will make the best effort at putting 2 above each other. If we add another one here, zone 4, that should appear under zone 3. Go back to key settings, 4, 1, and then we can swap it back to being up there. Now if this gets out of place and disappears, what we can do is we can click reset key position and it'll bring it back into view. Alternatively, if it gets out of place like that, we can go back to design view and we should be able to find it again. And you can move it to wherever you want.